Well, it does not bode well for the weigh-in this week. I am just about to have a cooked breakfast. Let me show you. Goodness me, still suffering from the old COVID. I'll put on now some of the food that I've eaten over the past 4 weeks. I don't feel that it's been naughty, but looking at it, doesn't look very healthy either. We'll have a little chat about that in a bit. They say pride comes before a fall, don't they? This is a little secret diary of a cereal dieter mid-month catch-up. 2 weeks ago today, I was so proud of myself for having lost 3 pounds. And I've jumped on the scales today and the news is not good. I have done really well on not eating sweets, chocolate, cake or biscuits for all of September, except I started on the 2nd of September. But last week I ate too much. I was out in London for a day. I was out for dinner on the Thursday night. So drinking Wednesday, drinking Thursday, although I didn't drink a lot, drank Friday, drank Saturday, drank yesterday, have not eaten very healthily. I have jumped on the scales, which is really naughty. And yes, the news is not good. So I need to pull myself together and eat a bit more healthily, drink more water. I'm not drinking anywhere near enough water. I've got 2 weeks to pull myself together, although I am away on my yarn dyeing weekend this weekend. It's Monday the 30th of September as I'm filming this. So I think my weigh day is Monday the 12th of October. Yes, not very good. No, it's not the 12th of October. I don't know what date it is. It's inconsequential, but yeah, keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. I am all over the place.
if I haven't said, my name's Ashley and I'm Paper&Twine, and this is Secret Diary of a Serial Dieter. I'm surrounded by yarn because I've just filmed at long last after I've been back over a week, my yarn retreat workshop video. Oh, dear me. Anyway, this month I have eaten loads. I have eaten out a lot. Some of the food that you've seen there, oh God, it struck me as I was putting all those pictures together. So much beige and brown food. Hold on, Blue is meowing. Let me just let her in. Hold on, I'll give you a little squiz round. I closed the doors. Where are you now? And you've ruckled up the mat. What's going on here? Oh dear. I can hear her meowing, but I can't see her, and you're at a very funny angle. It's all right. Come on then. In you come. Are you coming in? No, she's not. Oh, and now she's playing. She's in fight mode. What are you doing? Can I sit back down on my seat and do this video for the lovely people that are watching? She says, no. No, Mummy. Oh, lighting is terrible as well. Anyway, yes, I was talking about the food, haven't I? So I've eaten out. So I went to London. Oh my God, that hot dog that Jules and I had in London. We both had different ones, but we shared these Parmesan wedges. So it was like potato wedges that had been baked and fried. And they'd got, they were just beautiful, and they were swimming in Parmesan. It was the most beautiful thing I've eaten this month, probably. Then we had pizza in the evening. Then the next day I went out for a curry, and we went out for an Italian the next day. The Saturday before that I'd been for a curry, and then I've had my nasi goreng at knitting. And then I went on my yarn retreat and had wine and food, and oh my goodness. Then at home I've had some stews, which have been lovely, and lots of pasta. I think now that the weather's getting colder, we want our carbs, don't we, and comfort food, etc, etc. What else can I tell you? It's just been awful. One of the nice things that I've had as well, and again, it wasn't particularly healthy, but it's really quick to do. It's a Tesco's recipe. I'll see if I can leave a link in the description box. It was for fish and chip shop fish pie, and you use a frozen fish pie mix, some fresh salmon, a jar of white lasagna sauce, some mustard, some seasoning, and frozen chips and reduced fat cheddar, and yeah, make your pie like that. And that was really nice, but not particularly healthy. I did enjoy my cooked breakfast that I've just had. Anyway, let's put on the weigh-in now. We can't put it off any longer. So we want it to be 150 something. I doubt it's going to be, with COVID and going away and eating out. Let's get all the excuses out of the way, shall we? Let's put the light on. It's a bit better. Right, wish me luck. Oh my word, I don't believe it. Well, that was a turn up for the books. I haven't written in my book since the last weigh day. I don't know why I keep this book. So last month we were 160.8 pounds. We rounded that up to 161, and today we were 156. We wanted to be 150 something, and we're 156, which makes me now 11 stone 2, which means since I started the Secret Diary of a Serial Dieter strand, we have in total over 3 years lost 3 stone. I'm quite pleased with that. Since we restarted this little journey, I was 12 stone 10. So I've lost 1.5 stone. Yes, I was 12 stone 10. So I've lost 1 stone 8 pounds since March the 4th. So it's March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 1.5 stone in 7 months. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad. I'm pleased with that. What I need to do now is try and rein it in. We are going away to Cornwall this weekend. We're taking my dad for a few days to see some family friends. No doubt there will be food and drink drunk. Oh, we might have to have some clotted cream as we're in Cornwall as well, mightn't we, you know? But I am going to be sensible and try and rein it in. So I've rambled on long enough. Please do like, share and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. You know you want to subscribe. You do. You do. Anyway, I'm off now. Take care. Bye now.